Hey guys, we found a secret falls right here in Trece Martires. A few mosquitoes around here that bite, might chew on my legs, but I'm doing okay so far. It's not too far from my home, actually, and it's in back of a school. And I can hear the water roaring up ahead. I thought I'd take you for part of the walk so you guys could see. A lot of graffiti here. There's a lot of population in this area, so I'm sure a lot of people come down here. Look at this staircase. This is pretty steep. As you can see, this is really steep. Wow. It's not very well kept down here. It's very interesting. This is looking at it from up here. It's not the falls yet, but we're getting there. So we'll keep going down here. It looks like a rainforest back here. I got Pax with me. Today we took his car over here. And check out this. You can, I don't know if you can see it from here. Now you can. There's actually a staircase going down to the water so you can dive in over there. And I got Pax ahead of me here. Kind of cruddy back here and mucky, but it is rainy season. Sorry for all the camera movement, guys. A lot of footwork around here. Anyway, you can see it from here. It's actually a good sized fall. It looks smaller here. It's a good 25-foot drop there. And it's a good little pool of water down here. It's all kind of mucky and dirty now because of the rain we've been having, but it goes down into over there. But that's it. Well, that is nice. And up above here, they have the usual place. You can rent a little cabanas and you can swim up above and you pay a few pesos to swim there. We just paid 50 pesos to park. So this place must all be privately owned. It's kind of sad that it is not kept up as well as it could be, because this could be a really beautiful place for everybody to come. And like I said, you can go down there and swim if you want to. I'd wait till after the rains. This will probably be as clear as, but the water would get pretty clear down there usually. It gets better than this. This is a rainy season, is pretty rough. And look at these ferns and stuff here. This is look at this, all the greenery here. slippery here. You go down, you're going down there. This is at the top of the falls. I don't know how close I want to get. This is very slippery here. You can see that this has been wet here too. So as soon as it starts raining, this falls goes. This is all falls. This is underwater sometimes. Whoa! Just like I said, it does get slippery here. And I did go down. Here's where the water goes down here. I don't want to get too close because I don't want to go ride down there. This is really slippery here. You can see the water caught on this pole here from when we had heavy rain the other day. Caught all the trash. And these are the little tables they usually rent out here. I don't know what they charge, but I just know I don't want to fall down inside that. It'd be a rough ride going down, let's put it that way. You can see. Back up and you can see how it is. That would all be water going on this. This falls gets to be really, really huge. As I said, the place where I fell down there. This all gets washed out. Probably even reaches up to the footing of these things here, where the water comes in, because it comes rushing around this corner. You can see all the trash that caught on that. And some of the water actually goes over to the other side and has washed all that out. You can see it's all washed out over there on the ground and then goes down. So this probably turns into like a giant waterfall, probably for 2 or 3 hours or a day, and then goes back to what it is now. But that must be really cool coming down here during that time and seeing that. I'd love to see something like that. I'm sure it's really slippery down there then too. But I don't want to get too close there, guys. Just showing you the area here, what it looks like. And that's coming in here, all slippery. And of course, you got the usual trash here, which they should put trash barrels down here. This place should be protected. But I mean, look at this. This is still beautiful down here with all this stuff down here. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed that today. God bless, guys. Take care.